Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted source for valuable investment insights, stock recommendations, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we're venturing into an exciting investment landscape, the technology sector, and we're focusing specifically on exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that could help redefine your portfolio in 2024. Have you ever considered how you might invest in major tech companies like Apple and Microsoft without having to pick individual stocks? Well, today, we'll explore how tech ETFs offer a powerful solution. So, before we start, if you find this video valuable, please support our channel by liking and subscribing for our weekly updates. Now let's dive into the world of top tech ETFs that promise impressive returns, innovative strategies, and solid market positions. Number 1. Vanguard Information Technology ETF, ticker VGT. The Vanguard Information Technology ETF stands as a titan in the tech ETF sphere with an impressive asset base of around $77.6 billion. Vanguard Information Technology offers investors exposure to a basket of high-caliber tech companies, dominated by giants such as Microsoft and Apple, which alone account for over 30% of the fund's holdings. This concentration in top industry leaders means that investors are placing their bets on companies that are not only market leaders, but also pioneers in developing cutting-edge technology and maintaining substantial market shares. Microsoft, a staple of Vanguard Information Technology's portfolio, continues to dominate the tech landscape, especially with its expansive cloud computing services through Azure, its suite of productivity tools via Office 365, and its robust operating system with Windows. Apple, another major component, leads in consumer electronics with its range of iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks, not to mention its growing services segment, including Apple TV+, Apple Music, and the App Store. Investing in Vanguard Information Technology is made even more appealing due to its low expense ratio of 0.1%, making it a cost-effective option for investors. Additionally, its high sustainability ratings ensure that investors are committing their money to a fund that values low environmental, social, and governance (ESG) risks, aligning with the growing trend of responsible investing. But before we dive into our next ETF, let's stir up a little debate. Do you think having heavyweights like Apple and Microsoft dominate some ETFs is their superpower or their Achilles heel? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's see what the consensus is. Now moving on to our next contender. Number 2. Technology Select Sector SPDR ETF, ticker XLK. This ETF provides an excellent avenue for investors to gain broad exposure to the tech industry, encompassing a diverse range of 65 technology firms from the S&P 500 index. Technology Select Sector is heavily weighted towards the software and semiconductor sectors, featuring significant stakes in companies like Microsoft and Apple, which together make up about 43% of its holdings. The fund's strategic focus on leading tech sectors, such as software and semiconductors, is particularly advantageous as these areas are critical drivers of tech innovation. Software is at the heart of new developments in cloud technology and artificial intelligence, while semiconductors are essential for everything from smartphones to advanced computing systems. Technology Select Sector's past performance underscores the strength of the tech sector, with the ETF showing exceptional returns over the past decade, thanks to the ongoing favoritism towards technology in the stock market. However, investors should remember that while tech stocks have been favorites, diversification within your investment portfolio remains crucial. Number 3. iShares US Tech Breakthrough Multi-Sector ETF, ticker TCB. The iShares US Tech Breakthrough Multi-Sector ETF is for those who aim to invest in the cutting edge of technology. This ETF differentiates itself by investing in companies poised to benefit from groundbreaking technological advances across various sectors, not just IT. This includes exciting developments in robotics, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, as well as genomics and immunology. iShares US Tech Breakthrough Multi-Sectors portfolio includes big names like NVIDIA, which is revolutionizing computing with its GPUs and AI platforms, Meta Platforms, which is spearheading the advancement of virtual reality and digital social interactions, and Amazon, which leads in e-commerce and cloud computing. This blend of holdings provides a rich tapestry of sectors and technologies, making iShares US Tech Breakthrough Multi-Sector a comprehensive ETF for investors looking to capture the growth of next-generation tech innovations. Number 4. First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity ETF, ticker Cabr. For those interested in a more niche but equally important aspect of technology, the First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity ETF focuses on companies that play a crucial role in safeguarding digital information. Cybersecurity has become a cornerstone of the tech industry, with increasing importance as our reliance on digital technologies grows. First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity invests in firms that are at the forefront of developing security software and services that protect against cyber threats. First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity's targeted investment approach means it holds a concentrated portfolio of stocks, all of which meet specific, stringent criteria related to their operations in the cybersecurity field. This specialization allows investors to benefit from the specific growth potential within the cybersecurity sector, backed by companies like Palo Alto Networks, Fortinet, and Checkpoint Software, which provide advanced solutions ranging from firewalls to cloud security. Number 5. First Trust Dow Jones Internet Fund, ticker FDN. Lastly, the First Trust Dow Jones Internet Fund offers investors exposure to a broader yet focused range of internet technology companies. This ETF is designed for those who believe in the ongoing expansion and influence of the internet across all aspects of life. First Trust Dow Jones Internet Fund focuses on major internet players such as Amazon, Meta Platforms, and Alphabet, which collectively define much of the digital landscape we interact with daily, from e-commerce and social media to digital advertising and beyond. First Trust Dow Jones Internet Fund's approach is to select companies based on rigorous criteria, including market capitalization and trading volume, ensuring that the fund includes only significant influential firms in the internet space. This strategy not only captures the essence of the internet's impact, but also provides a robust investment in some of the largest and most dynamic companies in the tech sector. Taking a closer look at our lineup of tech ETFs, the data paints a promising picture for tech investors in 2024. Vanguard Information Technology ETF and Technology Select Sector SPDR ETF are neck and neck with modest dividends and extremely competitive expense ratios, reflecting efficient management and potential for steady income. iShares US Tech Breakthrough Multi-Sector ETF stands out with the highest year-to-date performance, an enticing figure for those looking for growth. Meanwhile, First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity ETF, despite a slight downturn, offers a niche focus that could spell long-term opportunity in the ever-important cybersecurity realm. And let's not overlook First Trust Dow Jones Internet ETF, which with its significant year-to-date performance indicates a strong foothold in the internet sector. These snapshots give us an intriguing overview of where these ETFs stand today, offering a window into their future possibilities. The Vanguard Information Technology ETF, Technology Select Sector SPDR Fund, iShares US Tech Breakthrough Multi-Sector ETF, First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity ETF, and First Trust Dow Jones Internet Fund. Each offer distinct strategic values for investors looking to access the technological sector through diversified means. The Vanguard Information Technology ETF is ideal for those seeking concentrated exposure to top tech giants like Microsoft and Apple, emphasizing strong market presence and innovative capabilities in hardware and software. The Technology Select Sector SPDR Fund targets tech companies within the S&P 500, offering balanced exposure to essential technology firms and benefiting from broader market movements. The iShares US Tech Breakthrough Multi-Sector ETF caters to investors interested in cutting-edge technology across various sectors, including AI and robotics, providing a growth-oriented investment option. The First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity ETF is specifically tailored for those focusing on the cybersecurity industry, capitalizing on the increasing importance of digital security in our technology-driven world. Lastly, the First Trust Dow Jones Internet Fund gives targeted exposure to major internet-based companies, capturing the core dynamics of digital innovation and internet technology growth. Together, these ETFs provide comprehensive avenues for investment across different aspects of the technology sector, meeting diverse investor needs from general tech exposure to specific niche areas like cybersecurity and internet services. As we wrap up our exploration of the top tech ETFs for 2024, it's clear that the digital landscape continues to evolve at a breathtaking pace. But before we part ways, I have one final question for you. With the rapid growth of digital technologies, which ETF would you invest in today for long-term gains and why? Share your insights in the comments below. We're eager to hear which ETF you believe holds the key to unlocking the most promising digital future. Thank you for joining us on today's exploration of the best tech ETFs for 2024 on Simple Investing Secrets. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. If you enjoyed our deep dive into these exciting investment opportunities, please like this video and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.